Isa sa mga tampok ngayon sa Ifugao State University ay ang Native House o Bale. Isa itong hakbang ng pagpapahalaga sa mahalagang papel nito sa kultura ng probinsya. Narito ang report ni Florida Robles.
Inilungsad kamakailan ng Ifugao State University ang Hijaken Native House sa main campus. Ang nasabing Native House or Bale ay nagsisilbi na ngayong landmark ng Ifugao Rice Cultural Museum at isang konkretong representasyon ng kulturang Ifugao. Nagbibigay ito na espasyo para sa mga estudyante at bisita upang matuto at pahalagaan ang mahalagang papel nito sa pagpapanatili ng kultura.
Hijaken Native House. This native house is a sample Ayangan native house, and Hijaken is an Ayangan term. It is an alias name of a person. At the same time, it is an expression of yung Hijaken. It is a native house of an Ayangan structure, because in Ifugao we have other types of native house.
Hijaken, mapmaphod ang native house. Hijaken, mapmaphod tawah taon namin. Hijaken, God bless us. We recognize the importance of our tradition and our culture, our unique identity as Ifugao and as Cordilleran, as indigenous peoples, no? That's why we are capitalizing on our culture to be globally recognized.
Ang proyektong ito ay pinunduhan at ipinagawa sa pamamagitan ng opisina ni Board Member Jordan Golitio. Ang nasabing native house ay sumisimbolo sa mga kwento ng ating mga ninuno, ang kanilang pamumuhay, karunungan at husay sa paggawa.
Having this house within our campus will remind everyone who visits that our culture is alive and worth protecting. It becomes a learning space, a cultural symbol, and a source of pride for all Ifugao people.
Though this simple yet meaningful house, we are being reminded that our culture continues to live not just in our stories, but in the spaces we build and the values we pass on. This will become part of our university museum.
May this turnover or hugok ignite more or invite more efforts towards heritage preservation and community partnership, and of course, cultural education. May this native house stand as a proud testament to our shared dream, a university that values culture, a people who honor their roots, and a community that celebrates its identity with pride.
Nagpahayag rin ng suporta ang ilang opisyal ng lalawigan para sa pagpapatuloy ng mga programa ng universidad sa pagpapanatili at pagpapayabaw ng kulturang Ifugao, kasama na ang iba pang adhikain nito.
Ito ay kumanang practice na nabukon happy-happy. Our collaboration with the PLGU, the university, and cooperation plus participation. Yeah, these are policies, but we put it into practice.
Florida Robles para sa PIA News Cordillera.